Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another recipe for you guys. Fish curry with uri, also known as Bengali green beans. Fish curry is so much easier to cook than chicken and meat curry. So if you would like to know how to cook this special Bengali dish, then please keep watching. So I've added oil to my pan. The reason why it's so much easier is because you don't need ginger or garlic or any sort of spices, just onions and salt. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 medium onions. And then add my salt. You do need a little bit more than you usually do in chicken and meat curry. Going to give that a very good stir. Now add some water, guys, and leave the onions to melt for about 10 minutes. I'm going to show you guys how to wash your fish. Make sure you add plenty of salt when washing. It helps to diminish any smell. After 10 minutes or so, when you go ahead and check up on the onions, if they're not fully melted, go ahead and mash it up. And then you're ready to add your spices. I'm going to add 1 small spoon of turmeric powder, 1 large spoon of mixed curry powder, and 1 small spoon of chilli powder. And then make sure you mix that well. Make sure it's on low heat, guys, so the spices don't burn. After 5 minutes, make sure you add a little bit of water, and then when you're ready, add the beans in and let that cook for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, go ahead and add in your pre-washed fish. Now let the fish cook for about a good 5 minutes so it really absorbs the spices. And then after 5 minutes, go ahead and add a lot of water, just about halfway. Once you've added the water, let the curry cook for about 20 minutes and then your curry will be ready. Guys, I did check up on it after 15 minutes and realised I needed more water. So I went ahead and added just not a lot, but a bit more water. And then let that cook for another 5 minutes. And here we have it, a lovely Bengali fish curry with uri. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time.